Have you ever noticed how Korean makeup always seems to have that effortlessly flawless finish? One of the biggest secrets lies in their blush techniques. It's not just about adding color, it's about enhancing your natural features and creating a youthful glow. Korean beauty focuses on placement, technique, and achieving that coveted dewy look. It's about looking fresh, radiant, and naturally beautiful. This approach to blush completely captivated me, and I knew I had to try it for myself. I was so excited to dive into the world of Korean blush and see what magic I could create. Stay tuned as I share my first-time experience trying out 3 popular Korean blush techniques and how they completely transformed my makeup game. The first technique I attempted was the under-eye blush, also known as aegiosal blush. This style is all about creating a cute and youthful flush right beneath the eyes. It's meant to brighten up the face and give you that adorable doll-like appearance. Next, I explored the center cheek technique, which is designed to give your face a tighter, more sculpted look. By concentrating the blush on the apples of your cheeks and blending it slightly upwards, you create the illusion of higher cheekbones and a more defined face shape. Finally, I experimented with the temple blush style, which is perfect for achieving an elongated, dreamy appearance. This technique involves applying blush lightly along the temples and blending it outwards towards the hairline. Each technique was so different and offered a unique take on blush application. It was amazing to see how something as simple as blush placement could completely transform my overall look. Trying these Korean blush techniques for the first time was such a fun and eye-opening experience. I loved how each style emphasized different features and created a distinct vibe. The under-eye blush technique instantly brightened up my face and gave me a youthful glow. It was subtle yet impactful, and I could see why it's so popular in Korea. The center cheek technique was my favorite for everyday wear. It added a touch of color and definition to my cheeks without being too overpowering. The temple blush style was perfect for creating a more ethereal and romantic look. It added a soft, dreamy flush to my face that I absolutely loved. Overall, I was amazed by how these Korean blush techniques enhanced my natural features rather than masking them. It was all about creating a harmonious and radiant look. This experience taught me that makeup doesn't have to be about covering up flaws. Instead, it can be about celebrating your natural beauty and enhancing what you already have. Korean makeup, with its focus on dewy skin, subtle contouring, and strategic blush placement, embodies this philosophy perfectly. It's about working with your features, not against them, to create a look that is both flattering and authentically you. What are your thoughts on Korean makeup trends? Have you tried any Korean blush techniques yourself? Share your experiences and favorite styles in the comments below. I'm always excited to hear from you and discover new ways to explore the world of beauty together.